Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Maheen. Welcome to my channel Creative DIY with Mano. So today I'm going to show you unboxing of my little so cute and elegant notebook Parcel. I ordered these 2 days before and just now I received them. This is not sponsored. I'm just going to show you a honest review. Now as you can see, the parcel is very nicely packed. I ordered 2 notebooks of medium size with 200 pages. Normal book charges which I selected are 140 and one customized notebook charges are 190. डिलीवरी चार्जेस जो है इसके वो है 140. सो टोटल जो है ये पार्सल मुझे 470 रुपीज़ में सेव हुआ है. सो इट इज़ वेरी चीप. You should order it. So cute notebooks. I really love them. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys are interested, I will link in the description. Also, if you guys are new on my channel, please subscribe. It will help my channel to grow. Thumbs up and make sure to hit the bell icon. Yeah, so keep watching and take care. Bye.